Yeah. Okay. May 25th, right? Well, I don't know. We'll see what the video shows, but it's snowing pretty hard, actually. May 25th of 2012. Let's narrow this down. Woohoo! Alright. We'll get some stills. Colin, it's Terry. Hey, just wanted to give you kind of a little bit of a view of the weather we had here a couple of days ago now. We went over to Great Falls to visit with Tyson and his wife Liesel. And as we headed over the Continental Divide at Rogers Pass, which is a little over 5,600 feet, we were getting snow. And then the next day in Great Falls, well, actually a couple of days later, we got snow. And then on the way home, we got snow. You're seeing a trend here, right? Anyway, I knew when you were here that you really wanted to get up to a spot where there was some snow, and we were so close, I felt bad that you weren't able to do that. So I thought I'd let you take a look at a little bit of what we went through. Also, Mike had said that you'd mentioned that one video a year is probably not quite enough, and I promised him that when I had something worth looking at, I'd make another one. So here it is, buddy. Enjoy. May 27th. And we woke up to snow. It's not just snow on the ground. It's actually still falling out of the air.
I'll just come down here.
Huh?
I'll just be down here.
Okay. Boy, isn't it something?
It does not seem like it's almost June.
I was going to say, that's for sure.
You two take care.
You too. Have a safe trip back.
We will.
chain removal area, is what the sign says. Just didn't think we'd need it in May. Yeah, but the roads are good.
Colin, I hope you've enjoyed looking at some of these photos and a little bit of video, and I really do hope that you guys will come back to see us in a reasonable length of time. I don't want it to be years and years again like it was before. So feel free to rub your dad's nose in this if you want to, the fact that there was snow, but you didn't get to see it. Maybe he'll bring you back. We'll do it again, buddy. Hey, take care.